This is Chapter 7, Problem 19. In this problem, we have a block that's trying to fall down an inclined plane a set distance, but a dude is also pulling on a string and applying 50 newtons of force to try to slow it down as it covers that distance. The key to this problem is thinking of it as two different types of work being done. F down the incline wants the block to go down the incline in the direction of the displacement. The 50 newtons of applied force wants to prevent the block from going down the displacement. So it's actually working in the opposite direction. So in this case, you have positive and negative work being done. We know that the change in kinetic energy of the block is equal to 80 joules. And that 80 joules is going to be equal to the total work done. In this case, 80 joules is equal to, I'm going to consider that down the incline in the direction of the displacement is positive work, so that's going to be the mg sine theta. Remember from our inclined plane work that F down the incline is mg sine theta. And then the other work done is the 50 newtons. That's opposing it, so I'm making that negative. And now they're both going in the same displacement, which is 0.5 meters. So I'm taking the difference between the two forces, and then I'm multiplying it by the displacement. Subbing in that our theta is equal to 50 degrees, we find that the mass of the object is equal to 27.97 kilograms. We then eliminate the 50 newtons of applied force that's trying to prevent the block from going down the inclined plane, and we get that the work done would now just be the mg sine theta multiplied by the displacement, 0.5 meters. And now the work done would be 105 joules. So again, what makes this problem so tricky is thinking about two opposing forces trying to do work. F down the incline, I considered positive work done, because that's going in the direction of the displacement. The displacement is down the incline. And then the 50 newtons of force is in the opposite direction, so that's trying to oppose the displacement. It's trying to oppose it, so it's considered negative work. The difference between those two works was equal to the 80 joules to start. We found the mass, and then we could eliminate the 50 newtons of force to find the work done if it wasn't there to begin with.